So I want a little bit more light pink for the inside of the ears. So I'm going to take a little bit of this pink, work it into this white, and this is a much easier way to mix colors.
Very cool.
Mixing fondant with fondant instead of food color with fondant, because then you have to make sure you're not doing too much to where it's gonna get it too wet and too loose. Then you have to add more cornstarch.
Yep.
All right, pink, back away, and black, we're done with. Okay, this is the inside of the ears. Okay, so this is just part of an orchid. Nope, I lied, lily.
It's a lily leaf?
Lily leaf.
Okay.
From one of your gum paste.
There you go, lily leaf cutter.
Doop. All right, so I'm gonna cut.
It's that porcelain knife again.
This is my porcelain knife. Just acting like maybe it should be.
You're just freehanding this?
I am. I shouldn't. But I am.
We're just trying to follow along.
I know. Okay. Okay, now putting something on a stick like this, where you want it to wrap around, trying to like shove a stick through a noodle does not work. That's annoying. Let's see. This is my long ear. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to wrap it around the stick this way and pinch it together. Now, that looks really obnoxious at this point. So what we do is then take all this excess now and fan it out to be the shape you want. Now I'm not doing that good, doing backwards, sorry.
Very cool. While you're doing this, can I pass something along to you?
Please.
Something Heather would like to say?
Sure.
Basically, one of the folks that was with us in the October class, you referenced Icing Smiles.
Oh, yes.
And whom we love, of course, Icing Smiles. And so she applied, and she's been doing cakes for kids in Central Florida.
Nice. Thank you so much for being a sugar angel.
Yep.
That is fantastic.
She says, and this is Heather Jeffries. She says it's been one of the most rewarding things that she's ever had the honor of participating in.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so glad, because I feel the same way. It's an honor to be part of it. And it really is such an awesome way for us cake artists to give back.
Heather just wanted to say thanks.
Well, I'm saying thanks to you.
Telling her about Icing Smiles, so very cool. We will, of course, mention that again. We can reference it, and because we're big fans of Icing Smiles. And
right. So if people want to know what that is, it's an international organization with about 10,000 volunteer bakers in just this country. And we create custom celebration cakes for kids with medical illness and in medical crisis, and sometimes even their siblings, because siblings can tend to get overlooked, shall we say, when a family's going through crisis with a kid.
Yep.
I should know. I have a kid with leukemia. She's had it for almost 9 years.
Well.
And so that's how I got involved in Icing Smiles in the first place. It was because I know what it's like